Hello, girls. I'm recording these steps for you all. How to convert PDF worksheets into Word document so that you all can type in that document when you are using it with the children. Okay. You need to convert each PDF worksheet into Word document to type in it. Please follow these steps which I am showing now. You will not need to go to the website. Type PDF to Word converter. Type PDF to Word converter in this box and press enter. You will get all these options. I have used this one only. PDF to Word converter 100% free small PDF. This is an online portal which is free. Okay. Now when you come here, you will have to choose the file. So before you do this step, you have to download that worksheet in your laptop or in your mobile. Okay, then it will get downloaded and it will be there in your download folder, wherever it is, whether it is your laptop or whether it is your mobile. Okay, for example, here I have downloaded, and this is the folder where my files get downloaded, and this is the PDF which I have downloaded from Telegram. All this. Okay, so when I go to this website and I click here, it will ask from where we need to take. So from device, from download folder, any one I'm going to click. I'm going to choose it. It will start uploading the file. You can see the process happening here. Once this is done, you have to choose, this is the file you want to convert to Word. We need to do this. Choose this option. It is converting into Word document. Again, we'll have to wait for the process to finish. This will take some time depending on how big the PDF file is. Okay, once this is done, it's already converted into document format. You have to download the file. Click on download button. Again, it will come and sit in your download section in your device. This is the one which got converted. Wait for it to get converted fully. See that it shows that it is getting processed. Now when you open it, they're showing here that it is opening here. Now it gets open. Okay, now in this format it is editable. Wherever we want to enter something, we can enter it. I will have to increase the font size and I can type. Okay, this is my house. This is a book. This is an engine. I hope this video is easy for you all to understand. This makes the worksheets very interactive. So please use this module, this format, convert it and then do it with the children. After you download and open this document, or after you convert it and get it downloaded, please change the name of the file as we want, okay, as it is written in the original file which is downloaded. UKG starter kit. then you can save all these worksheets in your device only under the folder worksheet for your quick reference and easily accessible place. Okay, I hope this is helpful for all of you. This is an excellent way to use the worksheets with each and every children. It makes them also interested to see all these pictures and all. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Thank you.